Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, May 13th. Looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So the S&P is up in the weekly and the daily. NQ went up on the daily, stretched the weekly on Friday. So again, for me to start calling the weekly up, I want to see them take out Friday's high, get a little more distance, which would put them up on the intermediate time frame. Righty, don't forget, had some issues with a trend day down on Friday after gapping higher. Right now, pre-market, they're trying to take back these single prints. We'll see if they're going to be successful tonight or not. ES also trade near the top of their range. So for now, ES and Q trying to open up with higher value. Still 70 minutes to go. This week you have what? PPI, CPI, more meaningless numbers. You do realize these numbers are all meaningless, right? We are all pawns in the game of chess. All right, first one on the front line, the ones that are expendable. The only thing that these numbers mean is it's more harmful to the pawns, as they're the ones that continually pay for higher gas, higher groceries, higher mortgage rates, highest credit card rates, all these other numbers. You know, when you have $35 trillion in debt, any number they put out there to me is absolutely meaningless. The algos don't think so, so we have to abide by that. But in the bigger picture, useless. Game plan. Once again, depending on where the overnight high is, if it's somewhere around this level or a bit higher, it's a good risk reward short. You can use Friday's high as your out. Same in NQ. If in the next 70 minutes the overnight is above yesterday's Friday's high, then it's again something you have to decide what you want to do. Now in ES's case, we still have single prints from April 4th. SPY took those back. ES did not, 2 sets. So again, if the overnight high is close or inside of those, a decent first time short against it. Now NQ is a little different. NQ, if you take out Friday's high, has a pretty big price vacuum. Okay, they have an overnight wide POC, but their next real destination is 519. So you'd be coming out of a weekly balance with basically 150 points of vacuum above you. So I'm not saying you can't short the overnight high if that's the case, but I would certainly make sure you have an out, okay? As far as a long, if we get the overnight high sooner rather than later, any pullbacks worth the long, I think, against M's high, out below value or half back. Same with NQ, be out above if we got back into M or below half back from Friday. All early plays. The video is going to be later tonight. I'm staying for the whole day. I have to leave right at 4 o'clock, but the video is going to be later. Still 90% I do it though. So just quickly on the chart, here's your monthly. It's a 3-month balance. So far it's an inside month as we start May 13th. The weekly in ES and SPY are clearly up, and so is the daily. Volume, still a huge concern. Believe it or not, we eked out 52 million on Friday, which kept it out of our top 10 lightest volumes of the year. Good luck trading today. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap after the close.